Rebound, nakuha ni Neil Owens.
Parañaque will just live and die off the outside. Running for 2 attempts there from the outside.
Robin again. This time, he makes it.
Spot different result para dito kay Ralph Robin. They tried to create for that corner 3. Finally, it's a make for Ralph Robin. Pero sa kabilang panic, sagot din agad si James Mangahas.
James Mangahas back to a 5-point ball game after that made 3. Robin. Pull-up jumper. 5 straight points for Ralph Robin. Robin comes away with it. Wilson drawing closer. Couple of pump fakes. Montuano, no good. Pero nabiyayaan yung effort ng Basilan.
Actually, ngayon ko lang napansin.
Diba?
Pero meron nga. Meron nga. Oo nga.
Jomar Santos. Si Riley yata, ganun din pumorma eh.
Oo,
Anak ni Coach
maganda
Mike.
rin ang ano ni Riley.
Oo.
Kasi si Justin, yung isang anak ni Coach Mike, gandang forma nun. Kaliwete yata siya.
Kaliwete yun. Kahit nakatalikod si Derek Bernard, alam mo
Alam mo
yun.
siya, tindig pa lang eh.
Hindi, pati sa suot eh. Di ba?
He's one of the better point guards that I have watched from the collegiate days all the way up to here in the MPBL. Here he is getting the first shot on his first attempt of the ball game to Gab Cometa.
Isa yun sa mga idol ko nung lumaki ako.
Yan.
Hindi seryoso. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga matangkad na gwardiya eh. Kaya si Lebron, idol ko. Di ba? Yung mga big guards na could do a little bit of everything.
Ako may kwentong Coach Chris din ako. When he was playing back in the day, PBL.
Pinatira na pinatira.
Oo, pinapashoot ako.
So pinagpulot mo.
Oo, parang ganon, parang ganon. I was in grade 5, nagpupulot siya. But who would have thought that a few years after, di ba? Feel ko mas mababa yung percentage. Rather than him moving, then it's a jump shot of a catch. Parang mas mataas yung percentage siya dun.
Monte. Drops it down low. Sarangay. With an inside incursion.
On the dribbler, yun, nabuksan si Mark Sarangay.
Biglang 8 na lang ulit ang lamang. Parañaque just hanging around. Pull-up jumper by John Hamon. 3-point shot by Mac Talio is off. Monte on the run. Lays it in for 2.
That's really a strong side, that attack right.
One-legged jumper. Won't fall in. At dyan nagtatapos ang third period. Not of chances for Basilan to pull away, but